Daimler's decision to come to Tuscaloosa has been life-changing, and since then, our community has only been the better for it.
Daimler brought nearly 4,000 jobs to Alabama directly, but tens of thousands of jobs indirectly with their supply chain and other companies that are providing products and services to the plant.
And because Daimler's here, it means that we can go recruit not only in automotive, but in other sectors of the economy and do it with strength and vibrancy.
They've announced another billion-dollar expansion, 600 new jobs.
Daimler is bringing the first SUV electric vehicle here to Tuscaloosa with a tremendous amount of innovation in it.
That creates incredible opportunities for Alabamians that will be sold not only in the United States, but around the world.
Because of the Daimler investment, Alabama families have a better quality of life.
I am very proud of the work I do here.
Thank you, Mercedes, for all the wonderful things you do for our community.